Hi, my name's Jacqueline Scott, Ambassador Diamond with It Works Global. Before this business, I was a successful school teacher, but as soon as I was introduced to this company, I saw it as an opportunity to have freedom of time and earn a residual income. And now I'm looking for 10 people who I can personally coach to earn an extra $1,000 to $2,000 a month, plus a $10,000 bonus in just 90 days. It Works Global is one of the fastest growing companies. We're debt-free, and we have a first-to-market product called that Crazy Wrap thing. You unfold it, put it on any body part that you want to see toning, tightening, and firming results in as little as 45 minutes. If you're interested in earning this extra income from home and marketing other all-natural products from home, then comment the best way to get a hold of you and I will connect with you within 24 hours.